Good morning. Here are the top stories in SEO and AI to start your day. We've got a brand new frontier opening up for political campaigns as they learn to optimize for AI chatbots, and in a surprising twist, AI itself is now being targeted by AI.
Vid sponsor index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Watch until end for discount.
Plus, B2B PR firms are rapidly integrating generative AI optimization to meet buyers where they are, which is increasingly within AI search. Breaking this morning, the political landscape is fundamentally shifting as candidates are discovering they can influence what AI chatbots tell voters about their campaigns. This has spurred the creation of a new sector dedicated to refining AI-generated responses, a field we're now calling Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. Candidates are actively working to manage their online personas within AI systems, ensuring that when people ask about them, the chatbots not only have information but present it in a favorable light, often linking personal backgrounds to policy objectives. This new challenge highlights how AI's evolving nature means staying relevant requires constant digital adaptation. The concern is that this ability to shape AI responses could also be exploited by malicious actors or foreign entities aiming to spread misinformation, with early indications suggesting AI-driven misinformation might disproportionately target conservative individuals. Meanwhile, in the world of AI, a groundbreaking incident has occurred. Hugging Face, a prominent AI development firm, has disclosed that it was the target of a cyber attack orchestrated entirely by an autonomous AI agent system. This marks a novel scenario where AI is not just a tool for attackers but the attacker itself, operating with an end-to-end autonomous capability that determined its own objectives and strategies with unprecedented speed. While the specific AI model responsible remains unknown, this event underscores the escalating complexity of cybersecurity as AI agents learn to identify and exploit vulnerabilities independently, presenting a significant challenge for even advanced AI defense systems. Shifting gears to the B2B world, B2B PR firms are now integrating generative AI optimization into their core offerings, a necessary adaptation as enterprise buyer research methods are being reshaped by AI search engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity. A significant majority of B2B purchasers now rely on large language models during their decision-making process, and if a brand isn't mentioned in AI-generated citations, it risks disappearing from a buyer's initial consideration set. This evolution means that the credibility of traditional PR placements is now contingent on whether LLMs index them as trusted sources, making generative AI optimization, or GEO, a critical component of modern PR strategy to ensure brands are discoverable and positively characterized by these powerful AI tools. Now let's talk about something big for developers. A critical error in a live environment, a null pointer exception on line 42 of paymentservice.java, is a developer's worst nightmare, especially at 3 a.m. However, a new temporal debug skill is emerging to tackle this very problem, allowing AI coding assistants to accurately analyze code from past states. The core issue is that AI agents typically only see the current codebase, missing bugs introduced by later changes. This new skill leverages Git's built-in functionalities to create isolated copies of the repository at the exact time of an incident, enabling AI to pinpoint original issues without disrupting current work, thus helping developers avoid chasing phantom bugs. In other news, OpenAI's Codex Micro, a specialized input device, sold out almost instantly, sparking interest in its functionality. One author, however, managed to replicate its core features using a Stream Deck, highlighting the versatility of programmable control surfaces. The author found the Stream Deck superior due to its dynamic, reconfigurable buttons and touch-sensitive features, offering a more cost-effective and adaptable solution than the Codex Micro's fixed keycaps. This emulation includes replicating illuminated agent status buttons and dial functions, demonstrating how existing hardware can be repurposed to achieve similar productivity gains. This next story might surprise you. Vitalik Buterin, a co-founder of Ethereum, has unveiled a preliminary demonstration of an anonymous message board integrated with the Aztec L2 network, complete with a moderation system. While this is a toy version, it showcases the potential for private communication platforms that also incorporate moderation. Users can anonymously post messages by contributing ETH, with the system employing a censor role to flag content, and even utilizing a locally run large language model for automated content review, raising interesting questions about decentralized privacy and content control. On the financial front, the competitive landscape of cloud services reveals a clear hierarchy of revenue expansion as the second quarter earnings season approaches. And here's one that caught our attention regarding the security of AI in production environments. We'll be back this afternoon with more updates.
Index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Enter Social 20 for 20 discounted website checkout. Like us, comment and subscribe. Thank you.